When you search for the best carburetor for your 454 Chevy truck, everything looks the same. Same promises, same specs, and you might feel overwhelmed. But to find the one that truly makes a difference, you need to look a little deeper. Product number 1, Edelbrock 1405 Performer. The Edelbrock 1405 Performer caught my attention right away with its sleek brushed finish and a solid reputation in the carburetor world. Priced at $414.95, it's on the higher end, but if you want reliable performance, this is worth a serious look. With a 600 CFM capacity and a manual choke, it offers a solid throttle response that can be a game changer for your truck. Plus, the single-feed fuel inlet simplifies installation and reduces the chances of fuel leaks. Here's why this matters. If you're constantly on the road or tackling off-road conditions, you need something that won't let you down, and this carburetor has a 4.7-star rating from over 650 reviews to back it up. Now, some users mention that the installation can be a bit tricky, especially if you're not experienced with carb setups. But here's the thing, most carburetors require a bit of finesse during installation. If you're willing to take your time or consult a mechanic, it's not a deal-breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable, high-performance carburetor that can handle various driving conditions. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget because it is a premium option. Now, if the price of the Edelbrock 1405 gave you pause, the next carburetor might just fit the bill without breaking the bank. Product number 2, THUNDRMANGO 4-barrel carburetor. The THUNDRMANGO 4-barrel carburetor really stood out to me with its price of just $169. It's a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on performance. This model fits a wide range of Chevy V8 engines, including your 454, and boasts a 650 to 750 CFM rating. Additionally, its vacuum secondary design helps with fuel economy, making it a great choice for daily driving. Here's why this matters. If you want to keep your truck running efficiently without burning a hole in your wallet, this carburetor does that job well, evidenced by its average rating of 3.8 stars from 284 reviews. However, some users reported that tuning it can be a hassle. Look, tuning is often necessary with aftermarket parts, so if you're not comfortable adjusting it yourself, you might want to consider having a mechanic do it, but it's not a deal-breaker if you're willing to learn. This is perfect for you if you need a cost-effective solution that still provides good performance. Skip this one if you're looking for something that's plug-and-play since some tuning may be required. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one might actually be even better for those who want top-tier performance without going overboard on the price. Product number 3, Edelbrock 1406 Performer Series. Next up is the Edelbrock 1406 Performer Series, which is priced at $450.95 and holds the badge of bestseller. Its sleek satin finish is just the icing on the cake for performance-oriented users. With a 600 CFM capacity, this carburetor provides an excellent balance of power and efficiency. The fact that it's so well rated, sitting at 4.8 stars from 18 reviews, indicates that it has a loyal following among truck enthusiasts. Here's why this matters for you. If you want a carburetor that offers consistent performance without the hassle of constant adjustments, this could be your go-to. However, some users said the price is high for those on a budget. Honestly, while it is an investment, consider that you're really paying for reliability and performance that can keep your truck running strong. This is perfect for you if you want a dependable carburetor that enhances your truck's performance. Skip this one if you're looking for the cheapest option, as it's definitely an investment. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more affordable but still reliable, the next product on my list could be just what you need. Product number 4, SOA SEMBE Rochester Quadrajet. The SOA SEMBE Rochester Quadrajet is another strong contender, priced at $165.88. This carburetor has a polished exterior that looks sharp under the hood. Designed for Chevy 327 to 454 engines, this model accommodates a CFM range of 600 to 800. It's compatible with a wide range of vehicles and comes with essential components like gaskets and jets, helping you get started without additional purchases. This is what you want if you need reliable performance without complications, and it's rated 4.1 stars from 53 reviews, which speaks to its quality. On the downside, some users mention that it may require professional installation, which can add to the cost. Here's the thing though, if you aren't comfortable with DIY, having a pro set it up ensures it's done right, which can save you headaches down the road. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a solid, affordable option that comes with most of what you need. Skip this one if you prefer a straightforward plug-and-play solution. Alright, that wraps up the budget-friendly options. But if you want to see a bit of a twist on the classic design, the next carburetor might catch your eye. Product number 5, NEN-KUTEN Rochester Quadrajet. Last but not least, we have the NEN-KUTEN Rochester Quadrajet priced at $184.79. It's designed for those who want an electric choke option, which can simplify starting in colder weather. This carburetor is compatible with Chevy 305 350ci engines and is rated at 750 CFM. Users rated it 4.1 stars from 134 reviews, indicating it's a reliable choice for many. Here's why this matters. If you live in a colder climate or just prefer the convenience of an electric choke, this carburetor meets that need. However, some users have said that the installation can be tricky without proper guidance. Look, if you're not familiar with carburetor setups, having a mechanic handle it can be a smart move to avoid potential issues. This is perfect for you if you want the convenience of an electric choke and solid overall performance. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with assembly, as it may require some extra help. So there you have it, 5 carburetors for your 454 Chevy Truck, each with its own unique strengths. To wrap it up, the Edelbrock 1405 is great for performance enthusiasts, while the THUNDRMANGO is a budget-friendly option. The Edelbrock 1406 is a reliable bestseller, and the SOASEMBE offers solid performance at an affordable price. Finally, the NEN-KUTEN adds convenience with its electric choke. Each has its strengths, so choose based on your needs and keep your truck running smoothly.